Oh my god. Guys, in this video we're going to be doing shoe unboxing. We have 3 different types of shoes. They're all super cool and you're going to love them. But before this video starts, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And comment down below done and you might get a shout out. So, let's go. Alright guys, so the first one is this box right here. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside of them. So, let's do this. Oh my god, these are so cool. Look at them, guys. They're like Air Jordans. And they're like orange. I'm trying to show you a lot of them. But yeah, these are so cool. Whoa. And then here's the other pair. Whoa, these are awesome. Well, let's put these back in the box and let's go get the next shoe. Alright. So the next shoe are these. These are not in a box, but that's okay. So these are like LeBrons. I'm pretty sure they have the symbol right here. But these are super cool too. Whoa. I don't think these are... I like the other ones a little better, but these are still pretty cool. Whoa, these are cool too. Wow. Alright, let's go take a look at the next ones. But here they are. Pretty cool. So let's go take a look at the next ones. Okay, guys. These next ones are really cool. So, they're right here. These are also Air Jordans, but these are like black versions, and they have they're like purple, blue, and red. These ones, so these are really awesome too. But I think my favorites might be this one, and my second favorite's probably this one because these are really cool too. And these are probably one of my least favorites. They're not that cool, but they're really cool though still. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.